look for the ground birds, the spine-tails, leaf tossers, and birds. Hopefully we should get some this morning.
What a ham.
Okay, he's ready to strike, so do not get too close to him.
That's a furry lance right
this is
there.
a baby.
It's a baby.
Yeah, we had last week. We had a 6-footer on the.
No, you didn't put it.
Sounds like.
There we are.
Yes, we have a little bit of information about these oilbirds here. They're about 18 inches from beak to tail. They have a wingspan 3 to 3.5 feet wide. They are the only nocturnal fruit-eating bird in the world. And these are the birds people would collect long ago and boil them down for your oil, use it to cook with or put in their lanterns. And it's normally the chicks they go after.
Pretty loud, huh?
Can he throw his voice?
Yes,
Or
he
is that
can.
another guy?
It's him. There's one to the back down there also.
Termite nest here.
And it's up, that's in the through end.
One second.
Have you not had any good sleepies? I found it.
Take the whole thing. We can do the handoff and the overlook there on Lady Chancellor. I'm going to check with Lady Young.
Do you want to go back that way now?
That's fine.
Yeah, from the top.
But the female does not.
Oh, really?
Tufted coquette female there. Oh, wow.
Gold just along the crown behind the eye. Amazing. He went right up to the...
An interesting tactic. There's the other chap, hasn't watched it.
White-chested emerald.
Okay, for you, it's to the left of the...
Rum punch on the veranda.
Watching the bats.
Doesn't she look pretty tonight? Short-tailed nightjar. Nighthawk. And we're looking for the piping guan. Ornate hawk eagle.
That British group, could you see this? Lights getting a little better. In the house? Yeah. Yeah. Probably a little guest house or something.
Big hopper. A female Hercules beetle. Is this a research station? White hawks.
Now the reason why that bird is there, you see, again,
Beautiful. We're going to bird this sewage treatment pond, always good birding places.
really see it that well, actually. Did it fly? No.
Hello, how are you?
Oh, yeah, tree crab.
Those are 4-eyes fishes. That is so cool.
The fishes we saw there, those were anapleps or 4-eyes fishes. They have two sets of retina. They could see above water and below water at the same time. And they stay on the surface as we saw. So those were anapleps or 4-eyes fishes. Little blue heron.
Oysters.
Scarlet.
Not to the right, yes.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's cute. They're all excited.
Enjoy the tour. Thank you for coming. Have a safe journey home and see you sometime again.
actual design drawing, you can get the cost from somebody.
Well, that's hopeless. All this stuff. It's that you get enough hot people.
One went right in the hole. You see, she's excavating a hole there.
And then it'll be out again.
Turquoise tanager.
Wow.
Monkey ladder vine.
White bellies and squid falling.
Double tooth kite.
This horizontal branch?
No, above it.
Above it.
Where's your
And each night we took off what was we got next.
Bye.
Come on, let's get toes for it.
There's got to be some maniac out there.
I know, we heard when we came in here.
going around asking
The rain doesn't seem to bother the mite.
in the trunk. See something.
Have you not had any good sleep?
Anything you want to put in. And in my car, I have a lot of receptacles. She laughed. She asked me to name them. I said, I have one by my elbow. I have one by my arm.
I see.
Okay. I just say space side.
The flowers are right here. Now, watch it, you can look at and the ground.
Oh yeah.
He's there.
Look at him.
Look at the size of that dude.
This is really good.
Oh, this is fantastic.
It's construction in this. It's not quite completed.
The heliconia there
We could not help but hear.
collects water during the rainy season, which birds use during the dry season. Serious spider right there. My heavens. That's a man-eater.
Upper front. That's why I say you must see this bird. You cannot come here and not see this bird.
Wow.
Beautiful, yeah.
What a bird.
Now,
The eye is black.
No, but it's a one. It's
He's got a bright eye.
It's a white-tailed saberwing on the nest.
Black face, yellow gray still. 1, 2, 3,
Granny
4,
wings
5.
as well.
Yeah.
I put it on a fluorescent because you're trying to get it close up. It's flashing. Oh, beautiful. What color?
Take a picture, get a picture of your cup.
Striped tail, black and white. Yes, it's in there.
It's a red rump woodpecker nest. There he is.
Little branch above it.
Yes. Oh, yes.
Show it.
There's the mango nest.
Really beautiful bird.
Green kingfisher.
Look at the girls.
Epiphyte City. It's the bird of paradise flower.
What the parts?
This is a cocoa fruit
These are the seeds.
being shown to us by Larry.
Put them to dry.
And then they get brown.
And when they dry, they get brown, and you grind it,
Right.
and you make the cocoa ball.
Oh, you see the brown?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is to heat the cocoa.
Light the fire below, put this on top, and you heat it. But there's somebody that use a pot. Now, when it's hot, they grind it, and take your hands now and make hand ball cocoa, you know, for your chocolate.
That's an old cocoa house. Beautiful old building. This is the wheel that did the grinding. Or that powered the grinding.
Every minute he's checking in on me.
Who is that?
No, that's a bad thing. He's not. She was a witch who flew from Africa to Tobago. She fell in love with a Tobagonian, and when he died, she tried to fly back to Africa, but she died because in her veins she had salt. You know the story. You know it is said that witch must not eat salt. So her name was Gangang Sarah.
This is the silk cotton tree right here. Beautiful. The immortal tree. Living proof that black and white are beautiful.
Exactly.
Wow. He doesn't drink coffee or tea, so. Tony?
Oh, there's a great shot of
The tail feathers are different. What are you doing?
Banana. If you stand back a little bit, you will get...
Yeah.
What do you think he's eating in there?
Sugar water.
Even what's his red one?
We have Anna's and Alan.
We have one like we have.
No, we have 3.
You do? We
Rock and spread his legs and I get... Tail feathers are different. What are you doing?
Banana.
That's the Legrand Corland Hotel. And yes, Tobago has them all.
I got a goat rotator and there was only enough for one goat rotator, so I'm having beef.
That's Scarborough over there, and the port where the cruise ship's coming in. That ship right there is a catamaran ferry that goes back and forth to Trinidad. This is Scarborough.
Yes. Building on the right is the market, the tall one.
That used to be Ian Fleming's house over there.
Before we start walking, I always like to explain a little about our island today. Now he wanted to do something to save these birds. Now what he did in the year 1912, so William Ingram, he introduced 47 birds to this island and set them free. These plants, they grow onto trees. Okay, they do not take any nutrients from the tree whatsoever. These are epiphytes. Now if a tree has to fall with one of these plants and rot, the plant will continue growing into the earth's surface.
This is an Audubon shearwater nest. Bird of paradise flower. There's a king of the woods.
This here is a sea island cotton tree. Many years ago, Trinidad. Right at this spot, many years ago. Now BBC came and they renewed that documentary like about 8.
You made it.
There. Oh, good. Oh, almost. Almost. Whoa. Hang on. Oh, you gotta go around again.
Tropic bird on the nest.
Whoa.
That's a juvenile with a white.
That's a juvenile with a white head. Frigates, they don't have any oil gland, so they are not able to go into the water to get e-pirates.
He's up to no good too, I'll tell you.
Well, I can tell you, he looks like a pirate.
Brown booby with a chick on the nest. On the nest.
Watch this.
Some jungle fowl helping out on the construction. Pick up.